Unang-una, gusto ko po sana mag-react at gusto ko po sanang sagutin ang katanungan po sa akin ng mga tao sa comment section. Although nagbigay na po ako ng aking opinion dito, ang tanong nila, Sir, ikaw ba, sa tingin mo ba tama po yung draw na resulta po ng laban? Kasi kanina ko pa sinasagot eh. Kanina ko pa to paulit-ulit na sinasagot, draw ang laban. Tama po ba? Okay. Siguro yung sagot ko dito sa tanong na ito, I will answer it in two ways. Kasi kanina talagang medyo ano rin ako, parang very frustrated, very emotional. Kumbaga, nananaig po yung puso ko eh. Nananaig po yung puso ko dahil parang nalugi na naman ang Pilipino. Parang naisahan na naman ang Pilipino. So, ito po ang sagot ko ngayon will be much more objective and with the realization po sa nangyari po sa laban po ni Manny Pacquiao. So, ang tanong, si Manny Pacquiao ba ay na-rob? Nanakawan ba siya ng panalo? Tama lang po ba yung draw? Unang-una sa lahat, ang aking pong personal na opinion at nakita ko po sa laban sa pagkakapanood ko po uli. At ako, every time po ako nag score pag ako po ay nanonood ng laban, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang medyo critical ako eh. Pag hindi ako makapag-decide, lagi ko sa kalaban binibigay. And that's what I exactly did dito sa laban na ito. Actually, Manny Pacquiao and Mario Barrios had a great fight. Back and forth action. Pero at the end of the score, I have it 115-113, which is the same score of the other judge. Only the other judge gave it to Mario Barrios. So 115-113. Okay? It was a close fight. There are some rounds that you could either give it to Manny or you can either give it to Mario Barrios. Okay? At hindsight, lalo na sa dami po ng mga Pilipinong nanonood doon, talagang kung ako yung judge, kung ako yung tao doon, mas na-appreciate ko po yung aggressiveness po ni Manny Pacquiao, mas na-appreciate ko po yung mga atake ni Manny Pacquiao, yung mga suntok niya, especially if you think about this, although no bearing yung edad, pero if you think about it, parang you're gonna be in awe sa grabe si Manny Pacquiao doing this at the age of 46. So I appreciated that better than Mario Barrios. But Mario Barrios had a great jabs. Mario Barrios coming back. At some point talagang may mga rounds talaga na Mario Barrios was in control at tinatamayan talaga niya si Manny Pacquiao. So, anong point ko dito? So, tatandaan po natin, although I argued this sa ating mga kaibigan nung isang araw, paulit-ulit, sabi ko, di, si Manny Pacquiao ang papaboran dyan kasi si Manny Pacquiao ang pera. Pero it looks to me that the old rule was still in place where the champion deserved a little bit of favor than the challenger even though you're still a legend. So, hear me out here. Makinig po kayo ha para hindi kayo basta-basta nagagalit. Very objective, very open-minded, but Mario Barrios was the champion. So, pagpapalagay na natin, merong konting pabor sa champion because as a challenger, you need to be more aggressive. Kumbaga sinasabi nila, you need to take the championship away from the champion. Tanggalin mo yung belt, kuhanin mo. And I know that Manny Pacquiao has been trying to do that. Okay? At sinusubukan niya. Matibay din naman talaga si Mario Barrios. Kaya nga hindi niya napabaksak eh. I don't think may nasaktan din ng tudo to the point na mawabol. Although na down po si Mario Barrios, it was from a slip early. Sabi ko, that was a good sign because pag na-out of balance po ang boksingero, it means something kahit na hindi galing sa suntok. But now that I've realized it, I would say that my point of view, Manny Pacquiao won, but I would also consider and I would, kahit masama ang loob ko, these things happen in boxing, medyo tanggap ko na yung draw. Medyo ha. Some people are saying na Rob, na nakawan daw si Manny Pacquiao ng panalo. Kasi pwede naman. But again, si Mario Barrios ang champion, Manny Pacquiao had this opportunity as well. So, I'm gonna be a little bit hard on that because so nung nakita ko po yung scorecard, the last 3 rounds all went to Mario Barrios. So, hindi natin pwedeng alisin din na medyo nag-tapered off or bumaba ng konti activity ni Manny Pacquiao sa bandang dulo. Kaya nangyari ito. Naging kumpiyansa tayo na papaboran si Manny Pacquiao at the latter rounds ng mga hurado. Ngunit hindi po yan ang nangyari. So in short, tinatanggap ko ang draw. At least hindi tayo natalo. Okay? Officially, hindi tayo natalo, hindi tayo nanalo. But mentally, emotionally sa harap po ng mga fans, sa harap po ng mga boxers, pati mga boxers, lahat sila sinasabi, Manny Pacquiao deserved that win. But as we all know, as a fan, as a boxers, we have a different perspective. And that's why hindi po tayo nagja-judge. Okay? It's hard to be a judge because tayo, we have meron tayong feeling eh. Meron po tayong emotional attachment. Even the boxers themselves. Look at this. If you ask some of the boxers, man, Manny Pacquiao deserved that one. You know why? Because he done things that, I mean, he's 46 years old. So, if you look at it, there's already a little bit of bias there. Tama po ba ako? Mali. So, I think Manny Pacquiao won. That's my answer. But I am accepting the draw. Okay? So, that is my first topic.